Excel has become an indispensable tool in the contemporary professional environment. This software's capacity to function as a powerful instrument for data analysis, project management, and financial reporting cannot be overstated. In the domain of data analysis, Excel allows users to organize and interpret vast datasets through functionalities such as pivot tables, charts, and graphs, thereby facilitating the extraction of meaningful insights from otherwise overwhelming volumes of information. From a project management perspective, Excel offers capabilities for resource allocation, scheduling, and tracking project progress through customizable Gantt charts and timelines. In terms of financial reporting, Excel's advanced formulas and functions enable users to create detailed financial statements, perform complex financial analyses, and even construct dynamic financial models, bolstering fiscal decision-making processes. The acquisition of Excel skills presents numerous benefits to individuals across varying fields. Users can develop proficiency in creating visually captivating charts and graphs, employing sophisticated formulas to automate calculations, and conducting robust data analyses using features such as VLOOKUP, lookup, and pivot tables. These competencies ultimately enhance one's ability to streamline workflows, improve data accuracy, and generate actionable insights. Practical applications of Excel are manifold. For instance, in the business environment, Excel is commonly utilized for budgeting and forecasting, automating repetitive tasks through macros, and performing what-if analyses to guide strategic planning. In scientific research, Excel aids in the organization and statistical analysis of experimental data. Additionally, in education, teachers use Excel to track student performance metrics and create interactive learning materials. To embark on an effective journey of learning Excel, it is imperative to leverage a myriad of educational resources available. Online platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer comprehensive courses, while YouTube provides numerous tutorial videos at no cost. Moreover, engaging in practical exercises such as replicating existing templates or solving real-world problems catalyzes skill acquisition. By methodically progressing from fundamental concepts to advanced functionalities, learners can master Excel and unlock its full potential. Consistency in practice and a continuous learning mindset are the keys to becoming proficient in Excel. To achieve optimal visual consistency and professionalism, the accompanying video should incorporate clear and cohesive visuals, including infographics, illustrative charts, and sample Excel spreadsheets to reinforce discussed points.